Are you struggling with ClickFunnels 2.0? Well, in this video, we're going to cover how to create courses inside ClickFunnels 2.0. So let's hop into my ClickFunnels account right now, and I'll show you how. Once you're inside your ClickFunnels 2.0 account, you're going to want to go over to Sites and Funnels. Then you're going to want to click on Courses on the left-hand side here. Then you're going to click New Course. Now we've got a couple different options. You can do a blank course, a basic course, or a nested course. I'm going to go with a blank course, so I have a kind of a blank slate and can have it designed however way I want. So I'm going to choose that. And now we enter in our title and our description. So I'm going to exit out of this pop-up here, and we'll just call this course title, course description. Now I can select a theme if I want. So I'm just going to go with the dark theme. I could have my own thumbnail image. I have not created one specifically for this, so I'm not going to bother selecting one. But I'm going to create my course now. All right, so my course has been created successfully. I'm going to add a new module. So let's call this module 1. And we'll put this as the description. Now I can also have my own thumbnail for this module if I wanted. So, maybe your module was on a specific topic. You could create some sort of image, perhaps in Canva or Photoshop or whatever you use, and you could have that in there. So when people go to the home page for this specific course, and let's say someone's already bought it and they've logged in, they would be able to click on that image and go directly to this module. So I'm going to create this module. Now, there's other things you can do here, like you might want to add a component. So maybe you want to add a lesson. So maybe introduction would be one. Same thing with the thumbnails and the audios and videos if I wanted. Let's say I expand the video settings. I can select a video here, and I could upload a video. So if I had a video file that I wanted to put on here, I could just upload that in there right now. I'm going to exit out of this if I can. Maybe I can select a quick video here. I'll just put something. I'll put that video in there quick because I know it's short and sweet. And so that should only take a few seconds to upload. Successfully uploaded. And so it's right there. So I've got that video. I'm going to create my lesson. It's a wonderful picture of me right there. Okay, now let's say I want to do another section in here. I could add another lesson. This might be lesson 1, for instance. Now, same thing goes with this. I could add an audio if I had like an MP3. I don't have one offhand. I can also do some other settings, like there's different styles. There's different templates you can use, but I'm just going to create the lesson right now. Right now, one of the nice things about ClickFunnels 2.0 is you can move stuff around. So I just selected it. I can move it around. I could add another module. So let's do module 2. Okay, description, and I'm just going to create that module. Thanks for watching my ClickFunnels training. Now, if you'd like to join the #1 funnel mastermind and get your hands on a bunch of other cool tools and training, click the link underneath this video right now.